Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. And I have been away for a while this summer, but I am back and I'm going to start with a product review, a really quick one. So I found this cap on Amazon. This is actually designed and marketed specifically to fit over your Floetrol jug to help keep all the clumps that can form inside that Floetrol out of your paint. So I'm hoping this is going to speed things up for me so I don't have to strain paints and what have you. So it looks like it just screws right on the top of your jug, and it is a pretty secure fit. And then I have my paint here. I have about, half a tube or so of lamp black. And I'm just going to shake my Floetrol up and see how this pours out. So it looks like it's coming out pretty well. It's a little bit slower than if you didn't have the cap on, of course. Those are some pretty small holes, but the whole goal of it is to keep any clumps out of your paint. So it looks like it's getting a little bit junked up on top, but not too bad overall. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. I usually do about 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and then about 1/2 to 1 part of water for my usual mixture. I'm going to stir it up and see how it worked. See if I can find any clumps that might have gotten through. Now, if you're new to acrylic paint pouring, I have a ton of videos, and I can start with some of my beginner playlist here for you. I will link to, I would encourage you to watch those. I fell in love with this form of art several years ago, and now I've been on a bit of a journey the last couple years in helping to share my passion with everyone else in sharing my techniques and my tips and tricks. And this is looking like one of my good hacks that I have found here on Amazon. So I'll go ahead and link to this product down in the description below. It was about, I think, $9 on Amazon. And overall worthwhile. It saved me a bunch of time. You don't have to clean out a strainer, and I would definitely recommend. Well, stay tuned. I have a lot more new videos coming up for you soon, and I will see you next time.